Hi, I am meeting you again after a long gap of 4 months. I am coming up with new concept, confusing terminology. In mathematics, language of mathematics is very important. Certain times we confuse. There are several times we use different terminology instead of suitable terminology several times. What are such terminology which makes us confusion in mathematics? Let us go through. I have identified certain confusing terminology here. What are they? Not defined, does not exist, no real solution, no solution, indeterminate form. These are the some of the identified terminology which makes us confusion. Let us examine one by one with suitable example for each. First one is not defined. Generally in lower classes, for the remaining four items also we say not defined as the knowledge is limited in the lower classes. But when we go to higher classes, there is a lot of difference. For example, when we get say 1 by 0, we say it is not defined in the lower classes. But when we go to the limiting cases, we say it tends to infinity, like that. So the best example for not defined which is suitable is the polynomials which you have studied in 9th and 10th classes. See this table, 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. What is the degree? The degree of polynomial is the highest exponent of the variable. Here highest exponent is 2 and this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Its degree is 2. Similarly, 4x minus 7 is a linear polynomial. Its degree is 1. Just a real number. If you take a real number, there is no x term in it. It is a constant polynomial. Its degree is 0. Now a question arises. Every real number is a constant. It can be treated as a constant polynomial, but can we say that the degree of every real number is 0? No. For example, you consider 0. 0 is also a constant. It is also called constant polynomial, but its degree is not defined. So we conclude that every non-zero real number is a constant polynomial of degree 0. Next terminology is does not exist. It is little above the high school standard. For this I have taken an intermediate problem. Limit mod x by x as x tends to 0. So we say the limit exists only if the value of left hand limit and right hand limit are equal. In this case, the right hand limit mod x by x, so it becomes x by x which is 1, whereas the left hand limit mod x by x, mod x becomes minus x by x which is minus 1. The left hand limit and right hand limit are not equal, so we say that limit x tends to 0 mod x by x does not exist. This is the suitable terminology for such situations. The next one, no real solution. Generally we use this in solving the equations. Consider the following equation. X squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Take 4 to the right hand side, we get x squared is equal to minus 4 and x becomes square root of minus 4. But we know that the square root of negative number is not a real number. Hence, we say that the given equation x squared minus 4 is equal to 0 has no real solution. The proper terminology for this is has no real solution. Of course, no real solution is different from no solution at all. There is a lot of difference between saying no real solution and no solution at all. See this equation, x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 1 by x minus 2. Immediately we say x minus 2, 1 by x minus 2 is common term on both sides. If you shift 1 by x minus 2 from LHS to RHS, that 1 by x minus 2 terms cancels. The equation becomes x minus 2 is equal to 0. If transferring minus 2 to the RHS, we get x is equal to 2. It appears as though that x is equal to 2 is a solution. But actually x is equal to 2 is not a solution, because 1 by x minus 2 is undefined. It tends to infinity. We cannot cancel. We cannot 1 by infinity. 1 by x minus 2 is infinity. 1 by x minus 2 is again infinity. Infinity minus infinity, we can't say it as 0. It will come in the last part. What is infinity minus infinity? Last part. Whatever it may be, for this situation, we say that this equation has no solution. Next, indeterminate form. They play vital role in the problems of limits. The 7 indeterminate forms have been identified. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0, 1 to the power of 0, 1 into infinity, infinity to the power of 0. These are indeterminate form. They play vital role in the calculus, the limit part of calculus. So we must be very careful in using the proper terminologies. Thank you. Subscribe for my channel Math Murthy. Thank you very much.